So why does the light of your screen of the iPhone looks yellow? Let's explain that. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so that way you don't miss anything important. And there are three ways or three reasons why it might be happening. The first one is the night shift. So when you go to the control center and hold down on the brightness slider, you can see we have a couple of buttons below, and one of them is night shift, and that's supposed to be used at night because it filters out the blue light. And in a result, it makes the whole display look more in the yellowish tone. And you can of course disable it right here or go to the settings, display and brightness, and change the night shift settings like the scheduling or even the intensity of the filtering. So that might be something you want to do. The second thing which might be causing it is the true tone feature. You could also notice it inside of the brightness controller. The other button on the right is for true tone, and that has, the ability to adjust your color temperature of the display to your surroundings. So you might have it turned on all the time and it will slightly change the color of the display. So perhaps you don't like it turned off, at least see if that makes the difference. And the third reason why it keeps happening for you most likely is when you find the settings, accessibility and display and a text size there, you'll be able to see and find the color filters. And it's possible to set up the filters in a way that the display looks a lot different. You can also use like the color filter specifically and adjust the intensity and change the hue and all of that. And this might make the display look the way that you don't really like. So make sure you either change the color filters or turn them off entirely. So I would really appreciate it if you let me know in the comments what you think specifically about it. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in those videos. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.